What the fuck? What the hell is this, bro? Bro, where are you going, bro?
I think you should take some flicks. No, don't come up here with the camera, bro. You're dumb.
Yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere. We about to sleep in here. This is our house.
Yep. House tour.
House tour.
Alright, bro, you're good. Alright.
Whoa. What the freak was that?
Alright, take some flicks of me real quick.
Right here?
Yeah.
With the camera?
No.
Alright, then come on. How you gonna give me it?
I'm scared of heights, bro.
Like that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. You want some or no?
Nah, bro. Mm-mm.
Alright, let's go back. This is pretty cool though, right?
I dropped her phone.
No, you didn't. Alright, let's go.
Alright, we got a dip.
Make it.
What the? Oh my gosh. What the fuck is that bug?
Where?
What the hell, bruh? What is that?
Where?
Ew.
Chad, where's the bug?
Nice. El sol está cayendo. El sol está cayendo. Bro, I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, bro.
Is that a bug or is that a flower?
I don't know, bro. I said the same thing.
Oh shoot, okay.
Nah, we'll catch y'all later. Later. Huh? Later. Goodness.
Good job. She's so pretty.
Mi gente, familia. Look at this slacker. Oh, they got our spot. Dang it, bro. Cheaters. We can't, bro. What are you doing? Where are you gonna go over there? It's like we're at the beach. It's sandy.
Right, you guys won't be so bad like this.
You took a spot.
They're fish.
Oh, for real? Yeah, they are. That's crazy. Dang, bro, y'all gotta be outside for real. It's beautiful out here, bro. Seriously. don't even know how long this video gonna be, bro, but we chilling. Oh wait, did we weren't here. No, we weren't in this one.
That's kind of deep already.
That is kind of deep. Watch out if it's like.
Like, look. Let's look how deep it is. You see this? Yeah. Look. That's that deep.
Oh wow.
That deep. Right
They don't even look it.
They don't even look it. That's why you gotta be careful when you're jumping.
These birdies, bro.
You wanna throw it?
Yeah, I'll throw it.
We can skip rocks here. It's surface level. I don't know how to do it.
I suck at it.
I think it has to be like flat.
Hey, bro, y'all gotta be outside with nature, bro. I don't know if y'all peep, but we did get some new earrings, bro. You know what I'm saying? We did get some new. I'm trying to see it. We did get some new. And I was hanging, bro. You know, I was hanging. We chilling. We chilling.
No spirit thrower professional.
Bro, I don't even know if the camera got it. Would you eat lunch here? Going crazy.
Oh, it's refreshing.
Really? For real?
Yeah. I don't know if I should be touching this.
Yeah, now you're infected.
And now I'm so cute. I miss the beach, bro.
I know. We're about to go. Don't worry. This summer we're going crazy. That goes for you too, you guys. We about to go crazy with the vlog. So whatever we do, you guys see it too. Like if y'all are doing it with us. Alright. Hey, we just taking it in, bro. For real, we just taking it in. See y'all later. Alright, later. Later. Yeah, later. I'm trying not to like slip. Dang, this is beautiful, man. Man, beautiful. Dang.
Carmen, September 20.
Wow, you picked it up.
Oh, am I not supposed to do that?
I don't know. I mean, I feel like that's disrespectful.
Oh, sorry. I don't know. Look, Psalms 34, verse 18. And
Rest in peace.
I guess so, because
Rest in peace.
she was 2 years old.
She was 2 years old?
21 or 23 is 2 years.
Yeah.
Sorry for picking that up.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like it is, because it's like you're supposed to leave it in peace. You crazy.
30 seconds.
You crazy. You crazy.
30 seconds, please.
Wait. Bro, what the hell,
Oh
bro?
my gosh.
You crazy.
I haven't had that in a long.
Wait. Yeah, you goofy, bro. You goofy. Nah, you goofy. You goofy.
Just do it once.
That?
Yeah. Like, just run across it.
Run across it is
It don't matter.
Run across it. That's crazy. What do you want me to do?
Because you think you're cool. Oh, heck no, bro. You're breaking the whole thing.
Get up at this Jimbo. Get up in my free little. Get up at this Jimbo. You about to go down there? You crazy, bro.
We used to chill like this, and then we had to like. And then.
What the hell, bro?
Wait. I'm too tall. I keep forgetting. My water bottle. Help me. I'm dying. Please.
You a zombie, bro.
Romeo.
What is that lady looking at, bro? Like, what is you observing? The sky? Is it the sky, man? Maybe some NPCs,
Bye-bye.
bro. I'm telling you. You're too fat.
I'm not. You go down now.
Hey, nah, bro. I'm chilling.
What
What are you talking about?
I didn't even kill.
What are you talking about,
Can I
bro?
have the Cheez-Its?
You want the Cheez-Its?
Chat, we made it back.
How was your experience, bro? I didn't even do an intro to the video. Just the intro. Alright, we better go walking. And we about to have a good time at the park. I see some people fishing right now as I'm talking. Yeah. That's all I got for right now. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bro. We gotta go to the beach. We about to go to Six Flags, Kennedy, the water parks. I don't even know if there are water parks near here, but we about to go to some water parks. We about to do a bunch of different stuff, bro. We are in the camp. Fall, bro.
Don't say that name out loud, but look where he at. That's cool, right?
What is that? Oh,
Keep your lips shut.
bro, I don't want this to fall. Actually, oh no, that's good.
Damn!
Damn, my boss is in there right now. He's
Go
watching.
find your
He's
boss.
watching us too. So we're about to go to the movies. We're about to go to the beach. We're about to go to Six Flags, Canby Lake, water parks, jumpy parks. I forgot what you call them.
Trampoline park.
Trampoline parks.
That's adorable. Jumpy parks.
Don't you feel like you could eat Cheez-Its like forever?
I personally, I like Cheez-Its.
You don't like it?
I said I do. You not see me eating?
No, I could eat it forever. No, I'm not get high.
Yep. This is not our intro, by the way, bro. He's lying to you.
There's an intro
Look at the
outro.
dog.
There's an intro outro.
Oh, it's so cute. The dog.
Beautiful.
Why is it getting cold? Oh, there's some bugs in here too.
What the hell? Get out of the way.
And he looked at me like,
No, it was like,
Mama, don't be late. She just sent the text to me.
bro, she be testing you and not me. You want that physique?
Really good. You can never forget about this. Chat, have a bite. You guys deserve to eat too. You guys came on the call. You see how pretty she is? Her bun is giving.
Very
She
good
has
physique.
Stanley.
Very nice. Very nice physique. Proportioned correctly. Like, it's not like skinny arms and then thick booty.
Okay.
Like, it's like proportioned.
Mm-hmm. No, cause some
you got the match.
some bodies like no hate.
It don't fit.
It don't fit.
It
Like,
don't
you have,
fit,
like,
bro. It don't
skinny
fit.
arms or like skinny
Skinny
legs.
arm and
It's
then
like
they got big booty.
Like you forget to work out those places.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta work out everything so you can look good.
Like the buff man with the buff chest and the buff arms, and they got the skinny chicken legs. I don't even know what part of this video.
Yeah, it's not the intro.
This is gonna be the outro. Alright, y'all, we gone. Dang, she has a good physique. We gone. That's it. I don't know. That's it. Like, subscribe, comment. You know, fuimos. Don't follow your style. Mm-hmm.
Chat and workout.
What happened? You gotta work out? Oh, you want to...
Outdoor walk. Total minute. 1 hour 48 minutes. Total distance 2.8 miles. Average pace 37. Apostrophe 47. I don't know what that means. Maybe 38 feet with 47 inches. I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Active calories 320. Total calories 474. Average heartbeat 118. Elevation 314. And the weather 71 degrees. It was so nice. There you go, chat. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You want to be these?